Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, and good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to study about English speaking, public facing, and personality development. So, are you ready? So, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, first of all, I would like to call today Mr. Anuj. So, big applause for Anuj. Okay, Anuj, have a seat. So, Anuj, tell me, can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Speak loudly.
Yes, I can speak English.
Can you understand English?
Yes, I can understand English.
Very nice. So, do you have power?
Yes, I have power.
So, can you tell me about importance of English?
Yes,
Tell me.
English is very important. English is one level language.
Yes, English is world level language. Very nice. Again,
English is very important.
you mean to say English is important.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
English is world level language. English is official language. If you go abroad country, if you go other country, restaurants, big city, then you have to speak English
Yes,
there. So, are you agree?
yes,
English is important?
yes.
Yes, English is important.
Yes, English is important.
You tell me, I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I can understand English.
I can understand English.
English is important.
English is important.
English is necessary.
English is
So
necessary.
everybody
Everybody
have to learn English.
have to learn English.
Everybody do like this. I can understand English.
I can understand English.
I can speak English fluently.
I can speak English fluently.
I have power.
I have power.
I have capacity.
I have capacity.
I can understand English.
I can understand English.
So
So
everybody
everybody
have to learn English.
everybody have to learn English.
Everybody have to speak English
Everybody have to speak English
because
because
without English
without English
you can't do anything special.
we can't and
Do anything special.
do anything special.
You do like this. Listen, look at me. Without English
Without English
you can't do anything.
we can't do anything.
Without English
Without English
you can't get any types of job.
you can't get any
Types of job.
types of job.
So if you
If you
learn English,
learn English,
if you able to speak English,
if you able to speak English,
if you able to conversate English,
if you able to conversate English,
then
then
you can
you can
achieve your goals.
achieve your goal.
You can
You can
get successful person.
get successful
Get successful person.
person.
Big applause for Anuj, everybody. Come on. Very nice. Okay, you can go and sit. Take your seat. Okay, everyone. So you can understand English. You can speak English. You can speak English anywhere. You can speak English everywhere. So, okay, my dear viewers, if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, if you want to improve your English communication, then you have to practice like this and you have to join this session. Then you will able to understand English and you will able to speak English. Thank you very much.